A parameter is a value or variable used to customize the final output of a report. The required parameters and their inputs determine the filtered results based on those settings. For a report, predefined parameters have been set for reports for your use. To alter the range, hover over the action tray to reveal an edit icon. Select from the options available. Click on the tick to save the selection. The parameter used for filtering the report is now fixed in the scheduled report settings. You can then repeat this for any other parameters. Should you need to change or cancel the parameters, go to the Fixed Parameters section. Then, click on the action tray, where you can now edit or delete it. The edit icon lets you reset the filter report conditions. Click on the Delete button to remove the fixed parameter. Defining parameters isn't mandatory, so you can skip this if you want to. Click Next to continue.